They hide the truth, we decode the system. Space is often imagined as silent. But in reality, the universe is constantly filled with signals. Invisible waves of energy travel between stars, galaxies, and black holes. Most of these signals are natural and predictable. But sometimes, astronomers detect something unusual. A signal that repeats every few seconds. Not randomly. Not once. But again, and again, and again. One of the most fascinating sources of these repeating signals comes from an object known as a pulsar. A pulsar is the incredibly dense core left behind after a massive star explodes in a supernova. Imagine compressing the mass of our sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers wide. The result is a neutron star, one of the densest objects in the universe. But what makes pulsars extraordinary is how they rotate. Some spin hundreds of times every second. As they spin, powerful beams of electromagnetic radiation shoot out from their magnetic poles. If Earth happens to lie in the path of these beams, telescopes detect them as repeating pulses of energy. Like a cosmic lighthouse sweeping across space. One famous example is PSRB 1919+21, the first pulsar ever detected. When astronomers discovered it in 1967, the signal seemed so precise and repetitive that scientists briefly considered something astonishing. Could it be alien communication? The pulses were so regular that researchers jokingly labeled the signal LGM-1, short for Little Green Men. But further observations revealed the true explanation. These signals were coming from rapidly spinning neutron stars scattered across the galaxy. And today, astronomers have discovered thousands of pulsars. Some pulse every few seconds. Others pulse dozens or even hundreds of times each second. But even with decades of research, pulsars still surprise scientists. Some suddenly speed up or slow down. Others emit bursts of radiation that don't match their normal rhythm. And a few have even been found orbiting black holes, creating some of the most extreme environments known in physics. These repeating cosmic signals have become powerful tools for scientists. They help measure gravitational waves, test the limits of Einstein's theories, and even map the structure of our galaxy. But every time a new signal appears in the sky, astronomers still ask the same question. What exactly is producing it? Because in the vastness of the universe, even a signal repeating every few seconds can still hold mysteries waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, stay dangerous.